So let's have a discussion about exercise 5.2 from question number 1 till question number 5. So let's have a discussion. In question number 1, the three sets are given. Set A is given, set B is given, and set C is given. Set A has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B has element 2, 3, 4, and set C has element 2, 4, 5. Now they are saying the first thing, this is the sign of subset. This is the sign of subset. So can we say that A is the subset because whatever is written in the left side and depends on the direction of the subset also. So right now the direction is towards left to right. So it means is A is the subset of B? No. All the elements of B, they are taken from A because A is a major set. So A is not the subset, B is the subset, and 2, 3, 4 belongs to A. So it's completely false. Okay, then A is a subset of C. No, A is a major set and C elements has been taken from A. So it's completely false. B is a subset of A. Yes, 2, 3, 4. They are taken from the major set A. So it's completely true. B is the subset of C. No, because 5, 2, 3, 4. 3 is not belongs to C. So it's completely false. Then we have C is the subset of A. Yes, C is a subset of A because 2, 4, 5. They all are belongs to A. So it's true. Then we have C is the subset of B. No, because 5 does not belongs to B. So it's completely false, right? Then we have B equal to C. Are they equal set? No, the elements are not same. So they are not equal set because here we have 3, here we have 5, which are not same. Then we have 5 is a subset of B. Every set has an element which is called as 5, but it does not visible in any of the set, but it belongs to each and every set, whether the set has element or not. Then this is the sign of equivalent. If the number of elements are same. Elements and number of elements, they both have the different thing. Number of elements means how many elements A has. It has 5. How many elements B has? B has 3. So they are not equal. So it's false. Then we can say B and C, they are equivalent. Yes, they both have the 3 elements. So it's completely true. A and C are equivalent. No, because A has 5 and C has 3. So it's completely false. Then we have use appropriate symbol. So this is the sign of belongs to. This is the sign of belongs to and does not belongs to, subset, and subset in a reverse way, and equal. Can we say how? 4, this is the set. When we use a curly bracket, that's called as the roster form of the set. So 4 belongs to, yes, it belongs to this. Then we have -5. -5 does not belongs because 5 is there, but -5 does not belong to set. 2, it belongs to, yes. Then ABC and BAC, whether you will swap the places, they both are equal sets because their elements are same. Then we have ABC, and you can't write the repetitive element in the set. This is also A, B, C only because here the elements are repeated, which we don't have to do it. It's ABC only. So they are equal set. Then AIU and AAI. So it is AI only. So which is the subset? The smaller one is the subset. So we can say this is the subset of this, right? So direction. Then we have Mumbai. Dash is the capital city of countries in Asia. Is it the capital city? Mumbai is the capital city. Is the Maharashtra? So yes, we can say belongs to. Yes, right? Now moving to the next question. Question number 3. The question number 3 is, let A is the set which has element 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which of the following are incorrect? And we have to give the reason also. 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 is the subset of A. 1 is coming from the set only. So yes, right? Then 1, 2 is a subset of A. 1, 2, yes. We can say it is a subset of A because we have so many sets. We can say yes, correct. And then we have 1, 2, 4. Is that the subset of A? So yes, they all are coming from the same set. So yes, we can say that yes, it is also the subset. So it is also correct. And then 1, 2, 4. Yes, 1, 2. But yeah, we forgot one thing. 1, 2, 4. 4 is a separate one. 4 is a separate one. 4 is not an element of A on its own. So right, on its own. So number 4 is not an element of A on its own. So it's a proper, you can't make the subset of 1, 2, and 4 together because 4 is completely different from 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is incorrect. It's not correct. Then we can say, is this as a single element. So yes, it's completely correct. It's true. 4 is a separate, it itself act as a single distinct element in set A, right? Then we have 5. 5 belongs to every element. So yes, it is the subset. And especially 4. Is it the subset of this? It is not a subset. It is not the subset. It is a separate element. Okay. It is a separate element. It is not a subset. So for subset, it needs to be an element, but it is right separately in the bracket. So it is not an element. It is a distinct element in a set. Then write down all the subset of the following. So we have to write the subsets. So we have A and we have phi. So these are the two subsets that we have. So every subset we have to write in the separate bracket. Phi, we don't have to write it. So this is A. So I am writing here phi, and we have to write the element in bracket. So this is the subset of this. Then we have to write the subset of this. So we have phi, we have A, we have B, and we have A comma B, right? So this. Then phi is singly alone as an element of every subset, whether it has element or not.